Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable jumping between tables in navigation options for the TalkBack function in Realme 14 Pro phone and how to turn it off. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Next, we need to go to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Then in the vision tab at the top, we need to open TalkBack. Next, in the top right corner, we have this cog menu which we need to open. Now customize menus, then customize TalkBack menu. Now we need to scroll down to the navigation, which we need to enable, and now we can edit the options. So we are looking for the for our tables. This option is in the web navigation section. Down, down, down. Here it is. So box unchecked, box checked. Pretty simple. On or off. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you, and goodbye.